Welcome to part 1 of the free Hammond restoration project. This is a little Hammond M3 organ that I picked up over the weekend, and so far it does not work. The first thing I did was replace the power cord. It caught fire when I plugged it in, so I unplugged it and replaced it with one of these. Just a cheap little extension cord I picked up from Home Depot, cut the end off, and wired it into the power box amplifier tube thing. I then put some oil in the tone generator section over here and used the wrong kind, so I switched over to this lighter stuff, which is probably also the wrong kind. It might be broken. Now, many people don't know this, but the Hammond organ is a car. It's got a starter motor and then a main motor. Because the starter motor is a momentary switch and I'm working on it from the back, I have it alligator clipped shut, so it just keeps running and running and running. Now we'll plug it in. I don't think it's supposed to sound like that, and it's running a little slow. Dead. Yeah, it sounds really bad. So far, I don't think the running motor is the culprit here. I think it's just not getting up to the right speed so it can kick over. The gear train sounds really bad in this. There might be a bad bearing over here, or it might be a problem with the starter motor. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take apart this whole thing. What a mess.